ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
The primary aim of English language teaching is A. Memorization, B. Communication, C. Translation, D. Repetition. Correct answer. B. Communication. Language skills include A. Speaking, listening, reading, and writing. B. Hearing, reading, copying. C. Speaking only. D. Writing only. The right answer is A. Speaking, listening, reading, writing.
3. The skill of reading aloud is called A. Intensive reading, B. Loud reading, C. Oral reading, D. Skimming.
Correct answer. C. Oral reading. 4. The method best suited for teaching English at primary level is A. Grammar translation method, B. Direct method, C. Bilingual method, D. Structural method. Correct answer. B. Direct method.
5. Teaching grammar through usage is known as A. Inductive method, B. Deductive method, C. Functional grammar, D. Rule method.
Correct answer. C. Functional grammar. 6. Phonics is related to A. Word meaning, B. Sound-symbol relationship, C. Grammar rules, D. Writing speed. Correct answer is B. Sound-symbol relationship.
7. Remedial teaching helps in A. Completing syllabus, B. Correcting learning difficulties, C. Memorizing answers, D. Giving extra homework.
Correct answer. B. Correcting learning difficulties.
8. A good language teacher should focus on A. Only grammar, B. Only vocabulary, C. All 4 skills, D. Only writing. Correct answer, C. All 4 skills. 9. Silent reading improves A. Pronunciation, B. Spelling, C. Reading speed and comprehension, D. Speaking. Correct answer, C. Reading speed and comprehension. 10. The best tool for vocabulary development is A. Rote learning, B. Dictionary skills, C. Writing essays, D. Copying paragraphs. Correct answer B. Dictionary skills. 11. Communicative language teaching, CLT, focuses on A. Accuracy only, B. Fluency only, C. Communication in real-life situations, D. Memorization.
Correct answer, C. Communication in real-life situations.
12. The first step in language acquisition is A. Speaking, B. Listening, C. Reading, D. Writing.
Correct answer, B. Listening.
Number 13. Assessment in English should be A. Only written, B. Continuous and comprehensive, C. Only oral, or D. Only grammar-based.
Correct answer. B. Continuous and comprehensive.
14. Storytelling develops A. Writing skills, B. Listening and imagination, C. Grammar rules, D. Handwriting.
Correct answer is B. Listening and imagination.
15. Error analysis helps teachers to A. Punish students, B. Identify learning difficulties, C. Reduce syllabus, D. Increase homework.
Correct answer, B. Identify learning difficulties.
16. Reading between the lines means A. Reading loudly, B. Reading slowly, C. Inferential comprehension, D. Memorizing.
Correct answer, C. Inferential comprehension.
17. Workbooks in English are mainly used for A. Reinforcement, B. Syllabus, C. Dictation, D. Examinations.
Correct answer, A. Reinforcement.
18. A good English classroom must be A. Teacher-centered, B. Student-centered, C. Grammar-centered, D. Test-centered.
Correct answer, B. Student-centered. 19. Intensive reading is used for A. General idea, B. Detailed study, C. Fast reading, or D. Skipping pages. Correct answer, B. Detailed study.
20. The best way to correct pronunciation is A. Punishing mistakes, B. Listening to good models, C. Memorizing words, or D. Reading silently.
Correct answer, B. Listening to good models.